Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Halfway Tree and we are giving you a tour of the new building at 58 Halfway Tree Road, which is this building we're looking at. Now the building's name or the main logo on the building is PBS, but the building was constructed by Stanley Motors Limited. Now the 58 Halfway Tree location is like a tech hub. It has probably the majority of the tenants are call centers or BPOs. So they had originally built this building, or their plans were to build a building to accommodate BPOs. However, the building wasn't fully occupied by BPO companies. So other companies have since rented space. Like PBS has a 7th and 8th floor. It's a 10-floor building. The government says they were renting 2 floors, although I don't think they indicated which entity was to rent it. And other private sector companies have rented space in the building. It's a very nice building, very impressed. And the way this building was done is how they must do it in Jamaica. A structure was here on this property and they demolished it and built this new state-of-the-art building, which is how they must do it. Too many times they go the route of retrofitting or fixing the existing building. Sometimes you just need to demolish it and build a new structure. Alright, it's still under construction. Well, the construction is finished. It's just people are now setting up the floor, their units how they want it. So the construction, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building. But I must say, very nicely done. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And that sign PBS stands for Productive Business Solutions. And they, as we said earlier, they occupy the 7th and 8th floor and obviously have rights to the build to having their logo on the building. Okay, the construction at 58 Halfway Tree Road, 58 Halfway Tree in Kingston, Jamaica marks a significant expansion of the existing technology park managed by Stanley Motors Limited. This development aims to enhance the business process outsourcing infrastructure in the region. The developer is Stanley Motor Limited and the location is 58 Halfway Tree Road. The building specifications. The total area is 126,000 square feet. The rentable space is 84,000 square feet. It has 10 floors and 44 parking spaces. Amenities include a lobby with restroom, cafe, 4 elevators, rooftop terrace. And the groundbreaking for this building was in 2022. Construction commenced January 2023. And the expected completion is 2025. The building design, crafted by Synergy Design Studio, emphasizes energy efficiency and adaptability to meet diverse tenant requirements. The structure is set to be one of the tallest commercial buildings in the New Kingston area. The expansion primarily targeted BPO companies and other office users, offering modern facilities within a special economic zone design property. Stanley Motor Limited is actively engaging with potential tenants to occupy the new space upon its completion. As of February 2025, the construction is progressing on schedule and within the projected budget of Jamaican 1.8 billion. The development is poised to bolster Kingston's position as a technology hub, providing state-of-the-art infrastructure to support businesses' growth in the region. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. But there was something in the article that I'm not sure was accurate. Because the Pegasus is 17 floors, the Windham is 15 floors out of project, and Pan Caribbean. There are so many buildings. Oh, Office buildings, yes, they're correct. The Pegasus is a hotel. The one that's 20 floors, the Rogers, that's residential, and the Wyndham is being renovated to be a hotel, probably under a different name. Pan Caribbean is that's a commercial building, but I think that one is what 15 or 10 floors. But this at 10 floors, it's one of the largest commercial, one of the tallest commercial buildings in New Kingston. Commercial. The others are residential and hotels. Alright, guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.